Hello! Today I will show you how to turn on and turn off the parking system in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so first we need to open up our menu, find the settings, now click on OK on your steering wheel. Now simply go down using the arrows on your steering wheel, find that icon, and now if you want to enable it, simply click on OK. Now the parking system has been enabled and now it's turned off. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.